Okay guys, this is the first video for the channel. Actually, I'm just close to the Chobe River. The Chobe River, you can see that. I'm in Kasani. And guys, subscribe to my channel. There are more great things to see, great things to learn about Africa, guys. As you can see here, this baby warthog is not afraid of me. Hey, you see, they're just like goats here in Africa, used to people. But these creatures are dangerous. These creatures are dangerous to an extent of surviving attacks from lion. You can see, guys. You can see they're grazing peacefully. Here in Africa, we love animals. We take care of animals, guys. We live with animals, guys. This is the treasure. This is the treasure for our future kids. This is the treasure, guys. See how happy they are. And there is the male one actually among females. A male one among females. You can see, guys. This is Africa, guys. This is the first video for the channel, guys. There are more interesting things to come. More interesting things to come. Look, guys. Look, guys. Isn't this amazing? This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. You gotta subscribe to the channel. You gotta subscribe to the channel, guys. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Guys, we just had a heavy storm last night. And look at this tree. Look at this tree. It has fallen. The tree has fallen. Ooh, there. The tree has fallen. You can see the size of the tree. It's really a big tree, Actually, why the tree got down actually is because the topsoil it's very hard, it's very solid, so the roots, they can't go deep underground. They just shallow in the surface area. You can see, guys. Let me show you the river. Guys, you gotta subscribe. You gotta make sure every video that I drop, you watch it, guys. If you are into the treasures of Africa. If you are into the treasures of Africa. You can see, guys, I'm on the bank now. There are birds, sounds of birds whistling around. Birds whistling around. I actually saw something that I might show you guys. Guys, subscribe to this channel. Many interesting videos to come. I'm gonna show you something, guys, that I'm just gonna cut the video. I'm just gonna show you something. I'm just gonna show you a pushback. Oh, it's running away. It's running away. Oh, but I will show it to you in my next video. Cheers, guys.